Kaunti ya Meru niumbita kwithirwa igitumira kugwatikana kwa makarika jangi ja murimo jwa Mpox akiaria uria ni minister wa ugima Dennis Mugambi Muriungi Meru batekage ugwa ni untu thirikari ni baibangite bobwega kenda gukandana na murimo juju na rombete akari kuringa ripoti ndira bona muntu wiri na bionaniria bya murimo juju
na rweja twejete ku ripoti ate tokugwata cases ingeinya chia murimo juju wa Mpox and then Meru County na antu baba bonde barabombete kwithwa bakigwata murimo juju abarumite Mombasa ebethwa bakeja Meru County na tomba kwithwa tukuona bena symptoms iji chia murimo juju surveillance team yetu yombe kwithwa ni kumba ku report na twethirwa aje baba itukumba kwithwa tukibashughulikira Meru General na bomba ponde kwithirwa baguchokwa nja cases iria itirari barabatari ugwatine tayari bobana benja nebe kombe gutritwa na rwa boga twithirwe ba twithwe twe on the lookout kana twe alert kwithirwa itugutega antu barabombe kwithwa bena cases iji in case muntu akeja ku report ukeja kuona muntu mbuga na rush kana era tuthundo twitha tukarija twa muthanduku na muntu wakeja ku report nyawengo na kwithirwa ena fever kana na Kimeru ira tuga omwangi ndene mwiri na kwithirwa na kumba kwithirwa IB miramunthi kana lymph nodes iboega muntu ojo na akeja kwithwa mbuga na gukora symptoms ichonde chikombaini muntu gukora muntu kwithwa na fever na imbi tuthundo tutwetawa tukaria to muthanduku na most recent nyatukeja kwithirwa at least muntu uyu mbuga na travelete outside the Meru County, especially counties zitukona china mirimo ejeri iguru ibwega tukombe kwithwa bati tukureport yontu gintu kira tukwenda gukaria mu Meru mono ni ate murimo juju keja go spread.
Stephen Mutua, I'm the county disease surveillance coordinator in Meru County. We are doing a close follow-up on daily basis. Our officers at the sub-county level, they're in touch with these cases on daily basis to monitor how they are faring on. Similarly, there is what we call the contact tracing and the contact listing, and also contact follow-up. That is for those people who have interacted in close contact, or rather they have been in close contact with the confirmed cases. That one is also happening. There is what we call the 21 days follow-up, whereby the close contacts are followed for 21 days from the last date when they had the interaction with a confirmed case. And actually that one is also happening on a daily basis, so that in the event any of the contacts develop any suspicious signs of Mpox, they will be advised to seek medical help in our health facilities, and also investigations are done further.